Okay, dear students, now we will see how to write a program. First, suppose you have to write a program to add any two numbers. Suppose here are two numbers A and B, and you have to write this. It can be written as x is equal to A plus B. This can be written as A plus B. Okay. On the paper, simply we can write here x is equal to A plus B. But in the program, before using this A and B, it must be declared somewhere in the program. Simply in mind comes a value is 3 and value of this B is 5, and you have to add this. Then you know easily the value of this is this, but computer does not know. So we have to inform the computer which kind of value you have to store. So before using this in the program, it must be declared somewhere in the program. So during this program execution, value of A and B may be changed. So value of x documentation. In documentation, we will write a C program add any two numbers. Okay. You have to write this and this. Basically, this is a command line. Documentation section is command line. So this command line, before writing a command line, we have to write forward slash and star, and after completing the command line, we have to write star and forward slash. In the previous lecture, we have seen before using the file, we have to open file, we use left angle bracket. After using, we have to close file, we use right angle bracket. Means opening brace and closing brace are in the opposite direction. So here at the start of this line, first one is the forward slash and after this star. So closing to this, at first we will write star and after this forward slash. Okay. After this we come on the header file, has include studio.h, has include studio.h. Instruct compiler to link all inbuilt library std stands for standard, I stands for input, O stands for output. All standard library functions are inbuilt in this header files like printf, scanf, read, getch, getchar. All of these are the IO function and all of these are defined in the studio.h. Now we will come on the definition section. There is no use of definition. If you use definition section, then value of variable will be fixed. So here is no need of definition section and no need of a global declaration, because here is only one function. So that we will not use this global declaration, because global declaration is used when we use multiple functions in the programs. Now after this main, Here we can see main. There are two ways to write main. First one is we can use int before the main or void. You are not using this int before the main, then by default integer value. This will return to you does not want to return a value through this function main, then you can use void. So it can be written as main, int main or void main. Int main will return integer value and void main will not return any value. Okay, and after this we will define value and x. A, B or x. Okay. Suppose you have put these two numbers and value of these two numbers is 3 and 5. Before adding value these 3 and 5, you store to add these numbers, these value must be stored somewhere in the computer memory. So this value variable a and b will store value of a and b in the program before performing this operation sum. After this we will enter value of a and b. Enter value of a and b. After this scanf %d address operator a address b. First one is printf. Printf is the input output function and scanf is the input function. Printf, this function will enter the value of a and b on the computer screen. This printf function, this is output function and scanf is input function. This printf function will enter the value of a and b on the computer screen, and this scanf function will read value of a and b through keyboard. This a and b through keyboard. This %d and %d. When compilers comes on this line integer a and b during compilation time, then this compiler will allocate three memory location a, b and x in the computer memory. Suppose this is this is the A, this is B and C. A, B and C. This will have some memory location value that may be 1, 2, 3 or 4, 1, 2 and this is a memory value. When this scanf function reads value from the keyboard, then this %d and this %d inform this memory location a and b. You have value. %d means decimal. If you write %c means character. If you write %f means float. So here you have written scanf %d address operator a, address operator b. Then this function will read value of a and b through keyboard, and this %d inform this a, you have to store a decimal value. This %d inform to this b, you have to store a decimal value. Okay. Now we have received these two values from the external source, value of a and b, Now we will perform sum. Then x is equal to a plus b. Now x is equal to a plus b. Here we have find out sum of a, this value a and b. Suppose value of a is 3, value of b is 5, then x is equal to 8. So here we have found the value of x. Now we will print this, printf sum of a and b is equal to percentage d and x and close. Here you can see main function is open through this curly brace, this right curly brace. To open any function, not main, any function, we use left curly brace, and to close we use right curly brace. When you run this, then at first you will see on the screen, enter the value of this user will enter value of a and b. Suppose value of a is 3 and value of b is 5, then you will get x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Okay, students.